Let's explore the power of Google AI in a Chromebook Plus. I have an article here and I would like help reading it. So I can right click in the white space. And the first thing I'll do is ask it to summarize the article for me. And it does in this little pop up window. And maybe I get enough information, but I can also interact and ask questions. So, for example, here I may ask, how can Google AI help me with my work? It provides an answer based on the article. This is an extremely valuable tool to use when you're learning a new topic, when maybe the language of the article is difficult to understand and you're looking for more clarity. It's just kind of a personal assistant built into your web browser. This works for websites as well as PDFs. But it does more than just reading articles. It can also help you write. So let's look at Google Classroom. I want to create an assignment for my students. I want them to write an essay for me from the perspective of a British American colonist. So I'm going to use the Help Me Write feature. I'm going to prompt it, and then it's going to offer me some suggestions on some clear, concise ways to present this assignment to students. Notice it's giving me a couple different options to choose from, but I'm not limited to these. I can refine it. I can paraphrase my prompt. I can ask to shorten it. I may need to elaborate. You can also choose to refine my personal favorite by going in and adding emojis. So I'll just select the prompt that I like the best. I'll click insert, and then I can still go in and edit this prompt to make it uniquely mine. What do you think? Are these tools helpful for you?